Hi, it's Josh from Boorman Lawyers. In this video, I want to talk to you about applying for a replacement licence in Queensland under Section 79E of the Transport Operations Road Use Management Act. This application to the court is a specific application that you can apply for when you've been charged with a drink driving offence and the police immediately suspend your licence at the time of the charge. So that basically means if you are charged on the 1st of January and your court date is not till the 20th of January, well, the police put an immediate licence suspension on your licence on the date of the charge on the 1st, and you must remain suspended right through until your court date. This particular application to immediately apply for a replacement licence means that you can fill out an application form, take it to the local court registry, and apply to have a court date brought on as quickly as possible in order to obtain a replacement license. So this would effectively lift immediate police suspension that was put on your license on the date of the charge and would allow you to drive generally with certain restrictions, such as perhaps for work or if there was any unusual hardship circumstance which applied to you. But there is generally a eligibility criteria to be eligible to apply for a replacement license. So obviously you would have to have been put off the road immediately at the time of charge. You have to have a Queensland driver's license. You can't have lost your license for any reason in the last 5 years, with the exception of default spur payments. There are some other eligibility issues that need to be provided to the court to be eligible to apply for a Section 79E replacement licence. Generally, where this application will come into play is that if a person has been charged generally for a mid-range drink driving offence where the blood alcohol reading is over 0.10 and under 0.150, that can still mean that they can be eligible to apply for a work license, a Section 87 work license. However, the application for a work license can take a number of weeks to come before a court and can even take a couple of months to come before the court and to be finally heard. And if you have been placed under an immediate license suspension, which is usually the case for middle range drink driving offences, then you would have to remain off the road right up until that final work license application court date is dealt with. So the Section 79E application is for a replacement license. If you have to drive for work, then this application is for you, and you've been put off the road. You will want to hustle, you want to get your application on before the court. You would need to put together an affidavit from yourself. If you're self-employed, it would just have to be from you. If you have an employer, then you'd need an affidavit from your employer and an affidavit from yourself outlining the fact that you do need to drive for work, that your job is on the line if you cannot drive for work, and the hours that you need to drive and other sort of considerations that need to be taken into account for you to be on the road. So it's generally, the preparation of a Section 79E replacement licence is very similar to a Section 87 work licence. It's just that it's more of an emergency application to get you back on the road and have the police suspension lifted whilst you're waiting for your work licence court date to come about. So it is a bit of a technical application. A lot of the success in these applications does come down to the knowledge of the law and the paperwork that is submitted to the court and the police prosecutors. So by all means, we do a lot of these. If you've got any questions, feel free to contact us on 1300 941 900 or go along to our website. There's some information there on this and many other issues surrounding traffic offences in Queensland. But by all means, if you've got questions, contact us. We're happy to have a chat to you and take a call. I want to thank you for tuning into Boorman Lawyers today. You can catch us at any of the usual social media platforms. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to contact us on 1300 941 900. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this video today. I really hope it was informative and helpful for you. There's another couple of videos below that you might want to check out that may be very useful for the process that you might be going through at the moment. Please feel free to like, follow, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've always got fresh new content coming through all the time. We appreciate you and thanks for tuning in today.